Very good morning to everyone. I have the pleasure of addressing Sri Dr. A.K. Balian, the chief guest, Mr. Vipin Sondhi, MD and CEO, JCB, Sharat Ji, Jaipuria Ji, Srivat Ji, Kamal Ji, Dr. Thakur, and distinguished friends, ladies and gentlemen. I have a very pleasant job of speaking on behalf of the customers. Because I am not an employee of Jaipuria Institute. But then I will have to talk about on behalf of Jaipuria Institute. It's the design of the conference, getting a customer to speak about the organization. So as a customer's point of view, I will comment about the conference theme. The theme itself makes the beginning. The theme is employee engagement, harnessing human capital. If you have engaged employees, actually you are harnessing human capital. If you harness human capital, actually you are getting employee engaged. And they also chosen the employee engagement at this hour, at this time, because we are all good at engaging customers, engaging vendors, engaging suppliers, engaging government, engaging stakeholders, engaging everybody, accepting, engaging our own employees. And more difficult in our country because it's not that people are not engaged. A number of people are disengaged, non-engaged, in fact misengaged. So that's the kick, that's the trick, that they have chosen the right topic called employee engagement. Now again, the session planning, you will see, they have got the best of the person in Dr. A.K. Balian to be the chief guest. In fact, I call him Rajarshi. Amongst the Rajas, he is a Rishi. Amongst the Rishis, he is a Raja. He brings the wealth of the knowledge of a king, the wisdom of a wise man. So we will have the inaugural address from Dr. Balian. Next is Mr. Vipin Sondhi. If you have to benchmark, if you have to project some of the successful CEOs from east to the west, I will name him amongst the top 10. And in fact, some of the things he does, value creation for the stakeholders. Not many people have thought about, people do value creation for the owners, value creation for the shareholders. Here is a person who is creating value creation for stakeholders. So that's the interesting discourse on modern management techniques that we'll have. Then we have Kamal Singh, who, and whenever we talk about employee engagement, see, the starting point of engagement is connectivity. Any company, any CEO, any manager, if he establishes the connectivity with the employees, that is the beginning of employee engagement. And Kamal is known for connectivity, networking, communication, fellowship, and he is the right person to be making a special address. After this, we will have two technical sessions. And the sessions have been very nicely designed, again from the customer point of view. You see, any structure that you make, first thing you need is a design, base, the foundation. So the first thing will be on culture, creating the culture, creating the connectivity, how the leaders create that culture and connectivity in the organization, then becomes employees getting engaged. Then comes the strategy, then comes the building, then comes the practices. The second session after lunch will be the best practices. What are the employee engagement practices happening in India, happening abroad, and what is that we can offer from east to the west? What is that we can offer to ourselves, so that we will minimize, we will reduce the disengaged, the non-engaged, the misengaged employees, and add to the number of engaged employees, add to the level of engagement. And to give you a funda on employee engagement, from my perspective, is nothing. Very simple. Only thing is, people like me didn't understand early. Only now we're understanding when I retire. So when I'm retired, when I am retiring myself, I've understood actually what is employee engagement. Why did I not get 60% employee engagement score? Because I didn't understand. This understanding is now simpler. Maybe because with age I have understood. It's simple. If employees say, stay and strive, they say good things about the company, they're engaged. If they want to stay in the company, they're engaged. They want to strive for the company, they're engaged. So from now onwards, we want you to be an engaged audience with the engaged speakers to test whether all that they tell us will help us in making our employees say good about my company, say good about my institute, say good about my organization. Will they stay in the company for longer? Stay not for detention. We want people who stay for good reasons. Will an employee say, I will stay in the company, I will get my employees to join this company, I will recommend my friends to join your company? Those are all symptoms of staying. The last one is without an external motivation or a negative threat of demotivation. If somebody works from within, inspired, self-motivated, striving, that is the third symbol of employee engagement. The combination of stay, say and strive is employee engagement. And I wish you all the best. And I wish that you should all remain engaged till the end. Like in a pravachan, all srotas, very few sotas, very few saraktas, very few sarotas, very few shushaptas, all srotas, all the best to you.